Right, this is the second video that we're going to look at for environmental technologies. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and we can see that this is all about planning and preparation relevant to all units. So PP1 and PP2. Planning is for calculations of the system, how it was planned. So we've got PP1 from on-site or PP2 from on-site or in centre. So we've got some pages here, we'll spin it around, see if we can get it to go the right way for us. There we go. So here's an example. So you can see here PP1, got the job location, what we're doing, job description, install of air source heat pump replacing gas boiler. Tools and plant required. So in here, mention any specialist tools, etc. So just a bit of information. Work programming. So put in here what other trades were involved, electricians, etc. Plans and when work and trades are due to complete or start, when materials are arriving, that type of thing. System or component calculations. So any calculations that you've done for this installation need to go in this box. So we scroll down a little bit further. We'll spin that around. And this is a materials list. So for the job that you've done, put your materials list there for that job. And then when you did your designs and you calculated, which you've wrote in the page previous, any normative documents that you use, so CIBSI Design Guide, BSEN 806, whatever it is, water regulations, advisory book, whatever it may be, you're going to put in there. And this section, there we go. Pre-installation checks, so checks such as flow rates, static pressures, electrical supply, everything that you have to check. And then you've got these 6 boxes here. Identify risk assessment. So insert a company risk assessment for the activity that you were carrying out. Take a photograph of one, print it off, put it in here. Risk assessment for activity that you adhere to or describe it. So health and safety requirements inclusive of loan working, lifting and handling, etc. Anything like that, just put it in as supplementary evidence and it will meet this criteria here. Details of any defects, so fill in it if applicable. Details of property system protection measures, fire stops, again, if applicable. Considerations for alternative green technologies. Well, you don't need to fill that in because you're actually putting an air source heat pump in, so it's not applicable. Safe use of access equipment. So tell us how you used mobile scaffolding, ladders, any access equipment, whatever you were using. And then we've got signatures. So we're going to have a candidate signature, expert witness, and your assessor signature. And we scroll down, spin it around. We can see that we've got PP2. So you repeat it as you did on PP1. And that's it. As simple as that.